Welcome back everyone. This is the another video of our internal solution, which is second internal test solution. In this video we will going to discuss the question paper of second MST test. So starting from first question, which is apply steps of KDD to obtain applicable IPC sections, BNS sections from the following complaint. Give useful algorithm R Python code snippet process for identifying applicable BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita sections. So our reference is theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2nd of 2022. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The theft was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. So, the steps of KDD in knowledge discovery in database process include problem formulation. Identify the problem, which is to extract the application of IPC sections and BNS sections from the given complaint. Data selection. Select the relevant data, which is the complaint text. Data cleaning. Clean the data by removing stop words, punctuation and special characters. Data transformation. Transform the data into a suitable format for analysis, such as converting the text into a numerical representation using TF-IDF. Data mining. Apply data mining techniques such as text classification to identify the applicable IPC sections and BNS sections. Pattern evaluation. Evaluate the patterns or relationship discovered during data mining. Knowledge representation. Represent the extract knowledge in the suitable format such as table or graph. Deployment. Deploy the extracted knowledge in a real-world application such as complaint management systems. Now moving to the another question, which is explain decision tree process of data science and its various approaches. Tree. Construct a decision tree from a database. How these structures and algorithms can be applied to effectively classify the complaint into appropriate IPC or BNS sections. So our approach of solving this question is decision tree process in data science. A decision tree is a tree-like model that splits data into subsets based on features or attributes. The decision tree process involves the following steps, which include data preparation. Collect the pre-process the data, including handling missing values, encoding categorical values, and scaling numerical values. The second one is root node selection. Select the root node of the decision tree, which is typically the feature with the highest information gain. Splitting. Split the data into subsets based on the selected features and the splitting criteria. Recursion. Recursively apply the splitting process to each subset until a stopping criterion is met. Leaf node prediction. Make the predictions for each leaf node based on the class distribution of the samples in that node. Approaches to construct a decision tree. CART, which is classification and regression trees, uses Gini impurity as the splitting criterion and support both classification and regression tasks. ID3, iterative dichotomizer tree, uses entropy as the splitting criterion and is suitable for classification task. C4.5, an extraction of ID3 that supports both classification and regression tasks and uses a more efficient splitting criterion, random forest, and assemble learning methods that combines the multiple decision trees to improve the accuracy and robustness of predictions. Algorithm for decision tree construction. Recursive partitioning, a greedy algorithm that recursively splits the data into subsets based on the selected features and splitting criterion. Dynamic programming, An algorithm that uses a table to store the optimal splits for each subsets and features combination. VD algorithm, an algorithm that selects a features and splits that results in the largest reduction in the impurity or increases in information gain. Applying decision trees to classify complaints into IPC and BNS sections. Feature engineering, extract relevant features from the complaint text such as keywords, phrases, and sentiments analysis. Data pre-processing, pre-process the data by handling missing values, encoding categorical variables, and scaling numerical values. Decision tree construction, construct decision tree using suitable algorithm and splitting criterion model. Evaluation, evaluate performance of the decision tree using matrices such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Model deployment, deploy the decision tree model in a production ready environment to classify new complaints into IPC or BNS section. Now our another question is, what is matrices are appropriate for accessing the performance of algorithm used in text mining. Give detailed matrices that evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of the text mining techniques. So our answer is matrices for accessing the performance of text mining algorithms, which include accuracy, measure the proportion of correctness classified instances. Second one is precision, measures the proportion of the true positiveness among all positive prediction. Another one is recall, measure the appropriate of true positiveness among all actual positive instances. F1 score, measure the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Mean average precision, measure the average precision at each recall level. Area under the curve, measure the area under the ROC curve which plots true positive rate against false positive rate. Mean squared error, measure the average square differences between predicted and actual values. Root mean squared error, measure the square root of the average square difference between predicted and actual values. Mean absolute error, measure the average absolute differences between predicted and actual values. Coefficient of determination, measure the proportion of variance in the dependent variable that is predictable from the independent variables. Matrices for evaluating text classification techniques. Classification accuracy, measures the proportion of correctly classified instances. Classification error, measure the proportion of misclassified instances. Precision, measure the proportion of true positive among all positive prediction. Recall, measure the proportion of true positiveness among all actual positive instances. F1 scores, measure the harmonic mean of precision and recall. ROC AUC, measure the area under the ROC curve and plots true relative rate against the false positive rate. Confusion metric provides a summary of the prediction against actual outcome. Matrices for evaluating text clustering techniques. This includes measures the separation between clusters and the cohesion within clusters. Measure the ratio of between clusters variance to within cluster variance. Measure the similarity between clusters based on their centroid distance and scatter within the clusters. Measure the proportion of samples in each cluster that belong to a single case class. Measure the proportion of samples of each classes that are assigned to a single cluster. Matrices for evaluating text similarity techniques. Cosine similarity, measure the cosine of the angle between two vectors. Jagged similarity, measure the size of the intersection divided by the size of the union of two sets. Dissimilarity, measure the size of the intersection divided by the sum of the sizes of the two steps. Longest common subsequences, measure the length of the longest contiguous substituting common two strings. Levenston distances, Measure the minimum number of single character edits required to change one string into another. So, this was about the whole second internal test answer sheet. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's meet in the another video. Till then, take care. Thank you.